What if the future of electric performance cars isn't coming from the brands you expect? And what if one sedan quietly entering the market is about to embarrass machines that cost twice as much? The Polestar 5 is not just another electric sedan announcement. It's a calculated attack on everything we think we know about luxury EV performance. Built on a completely new bonded aluminum platform developed in-house, this car isn't recycling parts from existing architectures. That matters more than most people realize because a bespoke platform allows engineers to fine-tune rigidity, weight distribution, and aerodynamics specifically for high-performance electric driving. The result is a structure that's lighter and stiffer than many traditional steel chassis, giving the Polestar 5 a handling advantage before the motors even spin. This is the kind of engineering usually reserved for exotic supercars, not a four-door Grand Tourer designed for daily usability. Underneath its sleek body hides a dual-motor powertrain targeting around 800 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. Those numbers alone are shocking, but the real secret is how that power is delivered. Instant torque in electric vehicles is nothing new, yet Polestar is focusing heavily on sustained performance, not just flashy launch control figures. The cooling systems are engineered to maintain output during repeated hard driving, meaning the car isn't built for a single headline sprint, it's built to perform consistently. That's a quiet jab at EVs that boast huge numbers but throttle back after a few aggressive runs. The Polestar 5 is being shaped as a performance machine that respects endurance, which is where true engineering credibility lives. The battery technology is another area packed with hidden ambition. Polestar is collaborating with cutting-edge cell developers to achieve higher energy density without ballooning weight. That means longer range paired with serious power, a balance that many EVs struggled to strike. Early targets suggest a range competitive with top-tier electric sedans, but the real magic is in charging efficiency. Fast charging isn't just about peak speed, it's about how long the battery can sustain high charging rates. The Polestar 5 is being engineered to minimize charging taper, keeping the power flowing longer so drivers spend less time waiting and more time moving. That subtle improvement transforms real-world ownership in a way spec sheets rarely explain. Design plays a strategic role in the car's performance story. The aerodynamic profile isn't just for looks. Every line is sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining stability at high speeds. Flush surfaces, smart airflow management, and a carefully shaped rear section help the car slice through air with minimal resistance. Less drag means better efficiency and higher performance headroom. Even the lighting elements are integrated to support airflow rather than disrupt it. It's a reminder that modern performance isn't only about horsepower, it's about how intelligently a car moves through space. Inside, the Polestar 5 is designed as a digital cockpit that doesn't overwhelm the driver. Instead of cluttering the cabin with gimmicks, the interface focuses on clarity and responsiveness. A high-performance electric car demands quick access to critical data, and Polestar's software ecosystem is being built to deliver that with minimal distraction. Real-time performance metrics, battery management visuals, and adaptive drive settings are integrated into a clean user experience. The secret here is restraint. By simplifying the interface, the car enhances focus, which is essential when managing 800 horsepower in silence. Material choices inside the cabin tell another story about the brand's priorities. Sustainable materials are not treated as compromises, they're engineered to feel premium. Recycled composites, advanced textiles, and responsibly sourced components are combined in ways that challenge the assumption that luxury must come at environmental cost. This approach isn't just marketing. Lightweight interior materials contribute to overall efficiency, reinforcing the performance mission while aligning with modern sustainability expectations. It's a layered strategy where ethics and engineering support each other. The chassis tuning reveals Polestar's intent to compete with the world's best drivers' cars. Adaptive suspension systems are calibrated to balance comfort and razor-sharp control. Torque vectoring between the motors allows the car to rotate through corners with precision that traditional mechanical systems struggle to match. The Polestar 5 isn't chasing numb, straight-line speed, it's targeting engagement. Engineers are using software as a performance tool, shaping how the car feels in real time. That programmable personality means future updates could refine handling characteristics even after purchase, turning the car into an evolving platform rather than a static product. Another overlooked secret is how the Polestar 5 represents a shift in manufacturing philosophy. The bonded aluminum platform enables modular assembly techniques that reduce waste and improve structural consistency. This approach allows for high precision without the energy intensity of traditional stamping processes. In other words, the car's production method is part of its innovation story. Efficiency isn't limited to the battery, it extends to how the vehicle is built. That systemic thinking separates companies that are experimenting with electrification from those redesigning the entire automotive pipeline. Performance EVs often struggle with emotional connection because silence can feel sterile. Polestar is addressing this with carefully tuned acoustic feedback and driving dynamics that create sensation without artificial drama. Instead of fake engine noises, the focus is on authentic mechanical and aerodynamic sounds, subtly amplified to maintain driver engagement. The steering feedback, throttle mapping, and brake feel are engineered to communicate clearly, ensuring the driver never feels disconnected from the machine. This attention to sensory detail transforms the experience from clinical to thrilling. Perhaps the most mind-blowing secret is the Polestar 5's role as a technological preview. Many of the innovations inside this car are designed to cascade into future models. It's a flagship not just in price or performance, but in research and development. The lessons learned here will shape an entire generation of electric vehicles. Buyers aren't just purchasing a car, they're stepping into a rolling laboratory that defines where the brand is heading. That makes the Polestar 5 more than a product launch. It's a statement of intent. All these elements combine to justify the shock embedded in its promise. A lightweight, bespoke platform, sustained high-output performance, intelligent battery strategy, aerodynamic obsession, focused digital design, sustainable luxury, precision chassis tuning, revolutionary manufacturing, and emotionally tuned driving dynamics form a package that challenges expectations at every level. The Polestar 5 isn't trying to imitate legacy performance sedans. It's rewriting the rulebook using electric architecture as an advantage instead of a limitation. That's why its secrets feel explosive. They don't just hint at a fast car. They hint at a future where electric performance is defined by intelligence, efficiency, and driver connection in equal measure. And this machine is positioning itself as one of the first true examples of that philosophy brought to life.